I'm Lisa Mabli, and this is What Would Lisa Say? This is where I get to answer questions that you guys didn't even know you had about Scrum and agility. And today what I want to talk about is story point estimates. We've got a whole series of these, and I realized that, sometimes the most fundamental questions are not being addressed within a Scrum team. And sometimes that is the key to making sure that your story point estimations are successful. So I've talked about a bunch of other things in other videos. And right now what I want to talk about is who's actually putting estimates on things. Spoiler alert, it is not the PO and it is not the manager. The people who put story point estimates on stories, these are the tasks that are going into sprints or on your sprint backlog or your Kanban board, whichever your mode is that you use, are the people who are actually doing the work. So devs and QA, fingers on keyboard, those people, those are the ones who are putting the estimates on the stories. If you are a PO or a Scrum Master or a dev manager who's not intimately involved in the actual doing of the work, you have no business putting an estimate on a story or an issue or a task or whatever you want to call it, depending on your tool, that somebody else is going to be working on. Likewise, if you are on one Scrum team, you should not be estimating stories for another Scrum team. It doesn't work this way. Only the people who are working on the work should put estimates on it. Now, granted, sometimes something may, if you're using a combined backlog, something may start in one Scrum team's backlog and then another team winds up having to work on it for whatever reason. That's totally fine. But the other team that is now going to pick it up definitely needs to review the estimates and put their own estimates on there as needed, because ultimately they are the ones who are responsible for the work that is happening, and they are the ones who are going to be committing to getting it done during the sprint. So that is what I want to stress for you guys. If you're doing the work, you are the ones who put the estimates on stuff. If you're not doing the work, that means you're in any role that is not actually doing the hands-on coding and testing of this issue or the story, then you do not put estimates on it. That's what I have to say about that. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.